Hi everyone and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. Today we're going to be making a pineapple lemonade. Now this is a refreshing lemonade for those hot summer days. We're going to be using fresh pineapple, fresh lemon juice. Adults, you can add a splash of your favorite liqueur into it and it will be golden. So let's step up to the cutting board and see what we need. For this lemonade, all we're going to need is 1 pineapple, the juice of 2 lemons or a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1 cup of ice. Now let's break down this pineapple. To get started on pineapple, we're just going to cut off the top, just like that. We're just going to cut this in half, clean our workstation, and we're just going to cut off the sides. Once you have it cut in half, we're just going to take our knife right down the sides like so. Make sure we get rid of most of the outside dark pieces. Just like that. It's pretty simple. We'll go back and touch up and get whatever we missed. And then we're going to cut it into cubes. Now to cube this up, we're going to slice right by the core into segments. Just like that. Now you can throw the core into the compost pile. We're just going to cut this up to about inch chunks. And we're going to get everything into the blender, blend it all up, and we'll have our lemonade. Now we're just going to go the pineapple and the lemon juice into the blender. We're going to get this blended up till we get a liquid form, then we're going to add in the ice. There you have it. That's our pineapple lemonade. Let's get a taste. Oh yeah, that's good. Be really refreshing on a hot day. Kids will enjoy it. If you find it that it's not quite sweet enough, you can add some sugar. I don't think it needs it. If you want to go the healthy route, add some honey. This is really good. Recommend you try it this summer. Check us out on Facebook and Instagram at HomeHeadChef. Thanks for stopping in. We'll see you next time.